Some of us, we still remember what the world was once like. Oceans stretching as far as the eye could see, the sweet aroma of fresh air filling our lungs, the busy street moving without a care in the world when man and nature coincided, balanced. But that was a long time ago.
The world has aged since. We tried to slow down Earth's aging process, alternative energy, recycling, but it was only a matter of time before the inevitable happened. By 2050, we exhausted the Earth. Too many mouths to feed, not enough food to go around, bacteria became resistant to antibiotics, mass disease broke out, people were leaving cities by the thousands out of fear, wandering endlessly. The machine that was civilization was breaking down. In an effort to preserve humanity, the world leaders agreed to exercise Project Ringworm. Project Ringworm was the last option protocol that called for the migration of people into a series of ring conditions around the world. One of them was in Syracuse.
Populations were shoved into dazzling zones to isolate the parasite from its host. Land was returned to the wild in hopes that one day it will recover. For the first time, man and nature were separated. The ringworm became a self-sustainable machine, reacting to its immediate surroundings to ensure that human life would go on. This machine that sits upon sharks was split into 4 cores, each core extracting its own resources: food, water, air, and minerals.
The ringworm is quite the unique specimen. The food core collects nutrients by consuming plants and livestock through the mobile members that probe the immediate surface. The mineral core extracts ores by applying its members like shovels, digging deeper and deeper into the quarry. The air and energy core apply their members like vacuums, sucking in air that is then facilitated across the city. The water core flows in the lake, applying osmosis to absorb water up its porous root-like members. These cores lay the building blocks of human life, a life that can't go back to how things used to be. There is a population limit due to the ringworm's stagnant size. People can no longer reproduce, sterilized at birth. As the old die, the newborns are engineered and sent out to replace them, modified with each generation to supersede previous miscalculations. The old become yet another material in the Goliath that is the ringworm. We haven't been outside in almost a century. Who knows what the world out there is like, and who cares? We are the parasite that thrives upon this earth. We are the ringworm.